Welcome. In front of me is a T-Mobile T-Phone 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we'll need to pull down our notification panel, and you will find the toggle right away. And here, as you can see, Do Not Disturb. Once you see it, hold it the first time around. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it actually functions when you enable it. Now, the most important settings right here would be things like the people and the apps. In people, you can select who can call you and message you. And then under apps, you can choose what kind of apps will be excluded from the Do Not Disturb mode when it's turned on. Now, another good setting right here would be the schedule. This allows you to utilize the two that are pre-made. You can also edit them or create your own ones. And in here, when you tap on it, the gear icon, I guess, you can choose the days of the week that it will automatically turn on, and then also start and end time. So you can just set it up once, completely forget about it, and it will run at the set time and day of the week that you have chosen. Now, if you're planning to use schedule, just make sure you toggle it on from here with this checkbox. And for everybody else who just wants to use the Do Not Disturb mode occasionally at random times, then all you have to do to turn it on is simply find the toggle, tap on it, and right now it's enabled. And you can see this icon right here in the status bar that signifies that it's right now enabled. Once you're done with it, you can again pull it down, tap on the toggle once more, and this will turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.